Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see hidden achievements on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. This ensures you have access to all your games and achievement data stored in your library. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the Steam interface. You'll see a navigation menu there with several options. Click on Library to proceed. This will take you to your complete collection of games and content available on your Steam account. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all the games you own. Scroll through this list and click on the specific game for which you want to view hidden achievements. This could be any game in your collection that has achievement tracking enabled. Selecting the game will open its dedicated page where you can access various game-related information and statistics. On the right side of the game's page, look for an option that says View My Achievements and click on it. This button is specifically designed to give you access to your achievement progress for that particular game. It's the gateway to seeing all the achievements you've unlocked, as well as those you haven't completed yet. After clicking this option, you'll be taken to your achievements page for that game. Here's where you'll find all your hidden achievements displayed. These are achievements that were previously concealed but are now visible to you, allowing you to see what challenges or tasks you still need to complete. You can review which ones you've already unlocked and which ones are still waiting for you to discover and complete. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your hidden achievements on Steam, giving you a complete view of all the challenges available in your game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.